Probiotics. Probiotics are the non-pathogenic live microorganisms, which are intended to have health benefits when consumed or applied to the body by improving or restoring its intestinal or urogenital microbial balance.
World Health Organization, WHO, defines probiotics as live microorganisms which when administered in adequate amounts confer a health benefit on the host. Probiotics are made of good live bacteria that naturally live in body. We constantly have both good and bad bacteria in our body. When we get an infection, there's more bad bacteria which create an imbalanced situation. Good bacteria helps to eliminate extra bad bacteria, returning the balance. Probiotic supplements are a way to add good bacteria to our body. Location of probiotics, microbes, live in our body. Though the most common place linked to beneficial microbes is our gut, mostly large intestines, but we have several locations in and on the body that host good microbes. These locations are gut, mouth, vagina, urinary tract. Most common types of probiotic bacteria. Though there are many types of bacteria that can be considered probiotics, there are two specific types of bacteria that are common probiotics found in stores. These include Lactobacillus, Bifidobacterium. Probiotics are also made up of good yeast. The most common type of yeast found in probiotics is Saccharomyces boulardii. Medical conditions need probiotics. There are some medical conditions where probiotics can give beneficial therapeutic effect, like diarrhea, both diarrhea caused by antibiotics and from Clostridioides difficile, see difference, infection. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Yeast infections. Urinary tract infections. Lactose intolerance. Sepsis, specifically in infants. Health benefits of probiotics. Strengthen immune system. Improve digestion and support liver health. Help prevent and treat diarrhea. Lower LDL, bad, cholesterol and blood pressure. Relieve constipation and normalize bowel movement. Reduce intestinal leakage and lactose intolerance. To treat different types of infection, like vaginal infections, urinary tract infections, etc. Relieve abdominal cramps and gases. Reduce the side effects of antibiotic and chemotherapy treatment. You can like, comment and subscribe us. www.youtube.com/@medbasic21